Okay, so before we leave this do file, let me just summarize the different ways of getting data into Stata using the do file. Okay, so we had created our do file that starts with clear, set more of, because in the future we will have commands that will be too long. So we want to make sure that we won't keep clicking on more. And then we are creating our path. Okay, so this is setting the path, and this is very important. And then you need to create the log file, and this is needed because I would ask you about it in every homework and in every assessment throughout the course. And then this is the data set. Okay, so data set DTA type. Okay, and then you can use it and do whatever commands you want, as we have seen in the previous video, but this is not my focus now. And then clear, if I want to show you a different way. So here let me write it as data set CSV type. Okay, so this is the second type, and I'm clearing in between. I don't want to get the same error message that we got before. And since I'm already setting my path here, I don't need to repeat it here, right? I don't want to repeat it here, so I can simply remove this part. Okay, I can also remove the quotations. Okay, and then I have already some data here, so let's clear it and check. So I'm clearing, and then I'm checking the shortcut command. All right, and then I'm seeing that I have the data here. Next, clear, and my last type, or let me take one space, my last type, which is data set Excel type, right? And again, I don't want to see this part repeated. I don't need it. I have already set my path at the beginning. I don't need the quotations, right? And then it's going to be like just import Excel, the name of the file, and did I clear? Let me clear. Okay, and then okay, and then I have it here. Okay, and then lock close, because once I opened here my log file, I need to make sure I close it before I leave. Okay, all the changes, just make sure you're saving. Okay, you're saving, and then this is done. Let's say you're working on your assignment, and then step by step, and you're checking it after you're done, right? You're saving, and then you can actually execute the whole thing all at once. So you just click here, and then you have the whole thing just executed all at once. And then again, you want to submit two things. So you go to where the files are located. Okay, and then let me just, for me, I want to make it like date added, just to have it on the top. These are the two files I want to, right? I want to submit my log, my do, and my log file. Okay, and make sure that let's say this one is, let's open it and then see, because every time it keeps replacing it, so I don't have everything that I had it in the previous video, because I just cleared many of the commands, let's say describe and summarize, and then I removed many of the paths that I had here and there, so that's why it looks like short. But every time you're adding new thing, so let's say you're getting the data and up to here, okay, and then you're typing again D for describe. You can type D for describe. You can type sum for summarize, okay, summarize or sum, and you can do these two. So remember that your log file keeps on replacing. Okay, so if I go there and I check again, and I check again the file or the log file, you will see the things that I just added here. It's not even closed. Okay, so these are the things that I just added, and it's showing me the time and the date when I'm working. All right, so that's it for now, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. All right, thank you.